Hi guys, it's Sarah. I'm back with another video, and today we are doing the January Art Snacks unboxing. This box, I don't know why, it was like really hard for me to open. I had to keep using my scissors and just kind of like digging at it till I finally got it open. But we have our little sticker from Art Snacks. I really like that. It's really cute. It looks like confetti. We got these acrylic paints. They are the golden fluid acrylic paints. We got black and this like royal blue color. We also got this tiny little notepad of paper. I think that was an extra freebie, I believe. Yeah, it was a bonus item. It was a Stonehenge Aqua Cold Press Heavy Mini paper pad. That is a mouthful. That paper was super thick and it was made out of 100% cotton. And then in the paper, we have a couple of things. I think it was 2 things in here. There was the Stabilo Sensor Black Fine Liner, and then the King Art Original Gold Series Golden Tacklin Brush in the size 2. So they also gave us a little flyer with the King Art brushes, a little I don't know what to call it. I guess the promotional like paper for it, and then also our Art Snacks paper. And we had a little lightsabers candy, and I gave that to my boyfriend. He said it was a fruit punch flavor. So the only thing I could think to do with these colors, I don't know why they gave us like 2 dark colors, but that's okay. The only thing I can think of was Black Rock Shooter when I saw these 2 colors, so that's kind of the direction I went into. Also, I really love that black paint water. I don't know why, it just looks so like pleasing to me. I don't know. But yeah, so that was what I went with for this drawing after I tested and swatched the supplies. That was the only thing I could think of with that color scheme. I do go in later and kind of water down the acrylic a little bit to use it in the background, and it kind of almost looked like watercolor. I don't know if that's typical of that, but I know this one, it's like a fluid acrylic, so I guess you can actually water them down a bit. I've never tested that with like regular acrylic paints, but I think I'm going to just see how it reacts. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video and like this drawing. Let me know what you would like to see next, if you would like me to try other art boxes. And yeah, I will leave you with some music, and I will talk to you next time. Bye!